Well, I got something to play with in the shop. Frame's cracked, so I'm going to be fixing that tomorrow. And my fiance helped me tape up the other side so I can finish spraying the blue. And I also replaced the control arm because that was getting kind of dangerous. I replaced that on my fiance's Ford Escape. That was I noticed that when I was replacing some other stuff. And man, having the bandsaw is fantastic. Having the Fab Block is great. I got this whole square lining everything up off of here. I got the other side to do, obviously, and this all polished up. All this is going to get painted as soon as I finish welding it up and figure out exactly where to put it. But that's basically what happened today. So yeah, that Yamaha just kind of wandered in from one of the guys that works at the place next door, and he saw me TIG welding the frame, and he's like, "Is that a TIG welder?" I'm like, "Yeah." "Can you weld aluminum?" "Yeah." "Oh, my ATV frame's cracked." "Well, bring it in." He had it in the back of his truck. So got it power washed because that's why the power washer's sitting out. He even did it, so I didn't even have to do that because this thing was covered in mud because he was out, obviously. So yeah, definitely good to have some other work coming in. It'll be fun to work on this thing. I think that should just lift off. Yeah. You can see the frame's actually cracked all the way through, so I got to take out the electronics and stuff here and get in there, drill out this other side so it doesn't propagate the crack. And I don't know, yeah, you can see the boss for the bolt is cracked out on the bottom. So, but yeah, that's good. It'll be good to have some new stuff to do. And he doesn't want me to go crazy with it. All he wants is the cracks welded. And I told him it'd be better if I reinforced it, but he doesn't want to get that deep into it. So hey, if he breaks it, then guess what? I get to fix it again. And I'm not opposed to that. So that's basically it. Had a good day. And time to head out and get some grub and have a good relaxing evening doing wedding prep stuff. I know that might sound funny, but I'm going shopping for my wedding ring online, and there's a lot of cool stuff out there, so we'll see what happens with that, because I've got some ideas, but I don't know exactly what I'm going to end up with. But yeah, everything's good. I love having these clamps. They definitely have limitations, but for about $6 each, I definitely can't complain. Of course, I'll get more eventually and make more probably, but yeah, everything's good. All the tools are working the way they should, although that diamond cutoff wheel needs a little bit more oomph behind it. That grinder gets really hot running that sucker, because I use that to cut the that's 36 inches, 3 feet. It got kind of scorching, so I had to actually put the handle back on to finish that cut without burning my hands through the gloves. So that's not really good for that grinder, but it held up. So yeah, that's about it. I think we'll call that done for the day. So see you guys later. Oh yeah, same spiel. If you find any of this interesting, like, subscribe, comment, complain, whatever. Find me on Instagram at Beaver Built. Same thing on Facebook. Give me a shout out. Like my page. all that kind of stuff. See you next time. Bye.